Hi everybody, Mrs. Heisey here. You should be watching this if you are in my manufacturing class. This is the week of April 20th, and this week we are going to focus on our welding packet. So you will have to do the welding reading and the welding packet. Along with that, there's a little welding activity. In that activity, you'll go to the website and it actually has you do a little bit of virtual welding, kind of with your finger to make sure that you're getting it into the groove and everything. I want you to do it the first time. Take a screenshot of what your score is, and then I would like you to try it 4 more times. The 5th time that you do it, then I want you to take a screenshot of what your score is then, and then you will submit both of the first and the 5th time that you tried the welding into the activity on Canvas, into assignment. So go ahead and do that. But just so you know, right now we should have the plastics completed, the metal lathe packet completed, and the forging packet. So those 3 things should already be turned in for the first 3 weeks of online learning, and then this week will be our welding. So if you have any questions, please give me an email. See ya.